Where is my mother?
Once in Assam, a herd of wild elephants left their sanctuary and entered the paddy fields in a nearby village, looking for food. The villagers drove them away from their fields with lighted torches and loud cries. In the panic and confusion, a baby elephant fell into a pit and was left behind. Nalia, a greedy villager, found the baby and decided to sell it off. Three friends, Danai, Babul and Jonti, rescued the baby elephant and helped it get back to its mother. On reaching Nalia's house, Danai, Babul and Jonti stopped to take a look around. The house was in total darkness. They entered the compound from the side, over the bamboo fencing, taking care not to make the slightest sound. One of Nalia's thugs sat by the open entrance to the cowshed with his back against the wall. So Nalia had posted a guard to keep watch over his treasure. With extreme caution, the boys slipped past the guard into the cowshed. Jonti switched on his torch and probed the interior. In the extreme right-hand corner, the elephant calf was tied to a stout bamboo pole. Its fore and hind legs were hobbled with ropes, and the rope around its neck was tied to the pole. They threw the torch beam on the baby's face. The three youngsters almost exclaimed aloud. The baby was crying softly. A stream of tears was pouring down its face. The boys tiptoed up to the elephant calf and gently stroked its back. Babul wiped its tears with the end of his shirt. The calf responded by curling its trunk around the boy in a gesture of affection. Together they hacked at the loops of the ropes to give the cut ends a frayed look. Just then, one of the bulls, which had so far taken no interest in the proceedings, let out a loud bellow. Outside, the guard woke up, muttered something, and jumped to his feet. The boys were totally exposed. The empty shed offered no cover.
"Set the baby free,"
Jonti said in a nervous whisper.
"He's our only chance."
With a startled cry, the elephant calf shot off like an express train. It ran through the door and rammed straight into the guard, pushing him aside. The man, not quite sure what had hit him, let out a yell of alarm as he fell. He was, however, not hurt and was up in a second, dashing after the fleeing baby. The calf ran straight towards the gate. Finding it closed, it ran along the fencing that surrounded the compound. The boys, finding the guard fully occupied with the escaping animal, lost no time. They were out of the shed like lightning.
"Escaped! Escaped!"
The guard shouted as he ran.
"The elephant calf has escaped!"